So in the admission form application for the student that have status registered or inscribed, we try to transfer the student. I try to transfer student. I click validate. So I validate. It should not display student with the status registered. After I click OK in this graph after transferred student, filter is still active and the student that I have transferred is not displayed again in the table. But after that, I will try to um, remove any filter in the admission form of FE. And when I check in here, there is no list of the student that I transferred earlier. Okay, this is the student for your Julian. I try to click reset, but still not display anything in here. Okay, in the top I have transfer in the FE. So that I have to click reset using the filter student number to search student as manually. Okay. Look, after I transfer the student that I transfer, they are in the top always of the table, and I should I not have click the reset button. The student should be at the top without using any filter. Okay, but I have to click reset, then using the student number, so student that I transfer display as manual.